Hey everyone, it's Mama Does Nails and welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope that you're all having an amazing day and ready for today's video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like, guys. Okay, so today I'm going to be using these two colors from Madam Glam, OMG, Mother's Wish and Enchanting. Now, immediately when I unboxed these Korean gels, I saw those two colors and I wanted to do some watermelon nail art. So I've got on my base some perfect white. Excuse the way the nails are looking, guys. I have peel off base coat at the bottom. And yeah, the nail already tried to pop off once already. So I'm just getting the colors down on my palette and then I'm going to just let you watch, guys. Now, I didn't follow a tutorial. I literally just drew some watermelon slices, but just made it my own, basically. So I hope you enjoy this video, guys, and I will come back in where I need to. So I'm just going in with Enchanting just to, add my little green skin to my watermelon. And I also use a jelly green that I had because it was a perfect deep jelly green, just to add that darker color. I'm trying to be really artistic here with my little watermelon slice. So I'm thinking of all the things that you need to have. So that's what I'm doing there, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this little video, guys. I'm going to go in and definitely add some more details, as you'll see. So now I'm going in with the black 3D embossing gel to add my little seeds. Now I thought this would just add that definition and I'm absolutely happy I chose to use this because it just gave it that 3D look. So please watch, guys. Now I do go in with my white gel paint, as you can see me there, and I've just seen lots of people do this, and I guess it just makes those seeds look even more realistic. Now, this is me using some of the perfect white mixed in with a little bit of base coat, and I'm just adding that little bit of white that you normally have with a watermelon. I nearly forgot this bit because all I was thinking of was the colours, and I was like, wait a minute. I literally ate watermelon yesterday. Didn't you see the white bit? So that's all I added and that's all I did. So again, guys, thank you so much for watching. Here are how the nails look. OMG, guys. I'm Mama Does Nails and I'm out. Please catch me in the next one. Please feel free to use and share our discount codes, guys. And what do you think? Pastel Haven is a delight. Thank you for watching. Bye.